Welcome to Database Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about how to modify existing column in a table. In previous video, we already discussed about how to create table and how to add a new column in existing table. One request viewer, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Now let's get a start. Let us assume we have a table called employee with flowing structure. Let's execute to create table. Table is created. Let's insert sample data into employee table. For record inserted. Let's validate employee table. Here for record populated into employee table. Let's see the structure of employee table. Here is the column name and these are the data type and nullable or not, and these are the constant of this table. Okay. Now let us suppose we want to modify first name from 50 byte to 200 byte. So how to modify? We can modify using alter table command with table name, here in our case employee, and then write here modify keyword, then write column name, in our case first name, and we want to modify 50 byte to 200 byte. So let's execute. We successfully modify from 250 to 200 bytes. So let's validate here 200 byte populated varchar 200. We can also use this statement alter table, then table name, then here write alter column, then column name, and we want to modify 200 to 300. So let's see and execute this statement. Here statement is successful. Now let's see here 300, you can see here. Okay, so we can use either modify command or alter column command with alter table keyword. Okay, now can we modify column with not null constant? So let's execute this statement. Yes, we can modify with not null constant, because in you see here first name do not contain any null value, so we can apply here not null constant. Okay, now let's see, can we modify from varchar to number data type? So first execute this statement to see. Here we cannot modify varchar data type to number data type. Also let's see, can we change number to varchar, because salary is number data type. You can see here salary is number data type and we want to modify it from number to varchar. So let's execute and see can we change or not. Here we cannot change number to varchar. Okay, so now let's see can we change varchar to character data type or not. Let's see, here statement is successful, so we can change varchar to character data type. Also see could we change character to varchar data type or not. So first execute this statement. Here statement is successful, so we can change character to varchar data type. Okay, let's see for date data type. So first we adding new column called created date in existing table, in our case employee table, and here we write add. We already discussed about in previous video, you can watch from previous video how to add new column in existing table. So let's execute. Created date column added successfully, you can see using describe command. Here created date with date data type added in employee table. Now let's see could we change date data type to varchar data type. So first execute this statement. Here we can see here we cannot change date to varchar data type, or also we cannot change from 300 byte to 50 byte. So let's see and execute this statement. Here we cannot reduce 2000 byte, which is varchar 50 data type length. So this is also important and this is logical. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.